What if you could walk through a building before laying a single brick? In civil engineering, 3D modeling is making the impossible possible. 3D modeling transforms flat plans into detailed virtual environments, giving engineers a clearer, more accurate vision of their projects. From concept to construction, these tools are redefining design and collaboration in the field. Whether it's optimizing road alignment or simulating water flow, 3D models help identify and solve problems before they happen. 3D modeling bridges the gap between engineers, clients, and contractors, making communication visual, not verbal. Like any tool, 3D modeling has its strengths and challenges, but the rewards far outweigh the risks. With the rise of AI and VR, 3D modeling is evolving from a design tool to a decision-making powerhouse. Ready to reshape your next project? Hit like, subscribe, and explore the future of civil engineering with us.